If you are looking for a Bluetooth audio upgrade for your Mercedes Benz ML Class, I have the perfect solution that you have been looking for. The Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter is the best Bluetooth audio solution for your Mercedes Benz ML Class Bose fiber optic sound system. It's a simple, affordable solution that will allow you to stream music wirelessly through your Mercedes ML original Bose stereo without the expense and complication of a new radio. You will get to keep all your original Mercedes options and controls and retain the best future resale value of your classic Mercedes-Benz.
Okay, we've got a W202 2000 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's got the original Mercedes-Benz radio in it, which doesn't work off those cheap eBay Bluetooth connectors. I went and saw the Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector, which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it.
The Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter is the best choice to add Bluetooth audio to the Mercedes-Benz original audio. It is the easiest and quickest way to update your Mercedes audio system, but it also allows you to retain the best resale value of your classic Mercedes-Benz. You get to keep all your functions, all your controls, and everything exactly like the way that it was designed and it was made.
This is a short video of Gizmo Guy's Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I just would like to do a quick review for the Gizmo Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car.
Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head unit. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go. And you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Thank you for watching my video. For more information about the product, please go to my website at gizmoguygadgets.com. gizmoguygadgets.com. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.